Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn the auto time zone updater on or off on your Windows computer. So this tutorial will apply for computers running the Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 operating systems. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in Services. One of the best matches should say Services. You want to left click on that one time to open it up. Now you want to go and find the Auto Time Zone Updater right here. You want to double click on it. Underneath Startup Type, if you're looking to turn it on whenever your computer turns on, you want to click inside this drop down box, select Automatic, and then click on Apply and OK. If you're looking to turn off the Auto Time Zone Updater, you want to select Disabled and then click on Apply and OK. So again, it's a personal preference, but once you've made your selection, click on Apply and then OK. I would recommend restarting your computer to make the change, and hopefully that should help address the issue you guys are having. So as always, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.